Hello everyone, this is Shawn Batchelor. Welcome to my review video for my week 2 assignment for Java 2 term 1503. Okay, so this week we're making changes, cosmetic and functional to our week 1 assignment, fundamentals, files, fragments. Just let me go over the cosmetic changes. It says change the background for all app components in the master fragment to be blue and all app components in the detail fragments to be green. As you can see from my screencast here, master fragment, all components, search, the list, and the edit text is blue, and then on the details it's green. So let me give you a demonstration. So if I search for something, you'll see that the background color for my detail view is green. So that's good. And then swap the positioning of your master and detail fragments. Last week, this master fragment was on the left, detail fragment was on the right. As you can see, they are swapped, so that's complete. The next task was to utilize an interface to pass data. Let me go to the one above that. Add a clickable preference to the preference fragment that allows the user to clear out all cache data, say by the application. So as you can see right here, I got a settings preference. When I click on it, click on settings, I get my clear cache, and I can clear cache. Now let me show you that it actually does work. So if I search, it's stored into my local storage, and when I turn my Wi-Fi off, you'll get the error message that says you're not connected to the internet, but we found some old posts. So let me go in and clear those old posts. Settings, clear cache, and then go back to the main screen. So now if I search, it says you're not connected to the internet. We couldn't find any data to load. That's because the cache has been cleared. So it works. And just to show you, we're still not connected to the internet. So if I turn my Wi-Fi back on, hopefully it connects. Yep, and it has. And I click search, I'm back online, and my list updates. So the preference task works, clearing the cache. The next task was to use an interface to pass data from the async task and that performs network operations back to the fragment that needs to handle the data. And for that, I will have to go into my Android Studio. So I'll show you the main activity because that happens in the main activity itself. So this is my async task right here. It's called my task. And as you can see on my post execute, amid all that logic, what I do is I write out the data to storage. And then the final thing I do is make posts. Now in that process of making that post, what I do is I set up the list. And as you can see, it's passing a value. It's creating an object that loads the content of this array list right here. And this array list value object is passing through my interface, which is search term notifier. So let me show you the, so right here it says implements master fragment listener and search term notifier. And then if I go in search term notifier, you'll realize that I have a, a method here that's called data passer. So go back to here, and data passer is implemented right here in my setup list, which is called by the async task in make post. And once data passer runs, it creates, gives a value to assigns a value to my object called value, which is the contents of loaded array, and it gets the selected index. So it's actually when you click on a list view item, it pulls that list item, passes it through the interface, and tells the detail fragment which list item was pulled, and then it displays that on the screen, all in this method right here. So it does what was requested. This is Shawn Batchelor. Thank you very much for watching my week 2 review video for Java 2 term 1503. Have a good night.